Hello guys, so let me show you the plant, the one that Bryson grandma plant there. Got flower, got so many flowers. So we are now at Kampung, guys. Kampung. This one is papaya tree. This one is papaya tree. There, see the papaya there. Papaya. Got fruit there, papaya. So this one is Kampung house. This one is behind the garden. This one are all vegetable there, guys. Vegetable. Got chili also. Chili. A lot of chili there, you see. Chili. A lot of fruit. Hey, a lot of fruit. Some chili. Cangkok manis, guys. Cangkok manis. Cangkok manis. There. Daun bandung also good. Daun bandung. Coconut tree. There. Cangkok manis. Some different chili again. Another type of chili. There. Chili. Chili. Hot weather today. Very hot weather. This one is pokok belimbing merah. This one very nice. This fruit. Ikut musim ah. No more fruit already there. Okay. Chili. Hot weather, guys. Hot weather. And all the plant here. Flower. This one is bunga kertas, guys. Got white color. This one is pink. This one is kacokan, you know. Kacokan. That's why the color in one. What do you call it, be? In one tree. That one only got two color in one time. This kacokan. There. Very rare. This one. Very rare. Bunga ros. There bunga ros. Later we go there. Hot. Go in. This one also bunga kertas. There. Bunga kertas. This one is different breed. You see the color of the leaf also different. There.
The one green, this one.
Green. This one is snake plant. A collection of grandma snake plant. You see.
Next time we
You go there again. Come. This side. This side. There. Here. This one also bunga kertas. There, so many flowers. This one they call it bunga raya. You see bunga raya? Grandma bunga raya. Pink color. This one is pink. This one is red. There. Wow, look at that, guys.
This one, mommy.
Okay, come. Okay guys, so I already showed to you some of Bryson grandma flower and plant. So some only this one, not chat. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Okay.
Ito ang bunga rose. Bunga rose. Red color. See. Okay. The one is now red. This one. This one's a rose. White color rose. Okay. Yan. What flower is this? Purple flower. Not much. Okay. This one, white flower. Much there. Oh, sick. Okay.
Hello guys. So now we want to go and take down bandung. Misalnya daun bandung, daun ubi. If in Bidayu, what they call it me? Daun banua. Daun banua. Daun banua. That one is coconut tree, me. Coconut tree. How many years it will grow that one? 3 years. Gunung Singgai deh. Gunung Singgai. Cangkok manis. This is what tree me? Star fruit. Star fruit. This one also the same me. Yes. Durian Belanda. Durian tree. Durian tree, guys. Some chili. Green chili. Flying drone. On Bandung, guys. This one is pineapple there. Pineapple. This one banana. Pokok pisang, guys. Got fruit already, pineapple there. There got one fruit there. There. This one what tree me? Mango tree, this one, guys. And mango. We are at Kampung house, guys. Kampung house. Okay. Kampung house. Moringa. Moringa. Can use this way. Use this way. Wet. Kangkong. Kangkong pun ada deh. Kangkong. Kangkong. This one goreng. That one nice, Mio. Belacan. Kangkong.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.